Hello, my name is Benny Farbstein, and this is a tutorial on the basics of Premiere. This is going to be a 3-step process, which includes importing, which is taking your footage and putting it into Premiere. There's going to be exporting, which is taking your work and turning it into something that can be distributed. And then in the middle there's cutting together. So cutting together is when there's a part you don't want there, like in the business, in the filmmaking industry or whatever. You say action and cut before and after you record. So you'd want to get rid of that so the audience doesn't hear that. So cutting together starts with your raw footage, which is your freshly imported, you haven't touched it yet, footage. And then, second, you find that stuff you want to get rid of, and you cut it out into different sections of the video, or of the footage. And then you want to delete that, which is just, it's gone now. It's void. And then you don't, there is literally a void of nothing in between the two pieces of footage that you want now. So you're going to sync them together, so that's the synced footage. And then you want to export it. So even though this is a thing now, it's not a thing. It's still footage. So you want to make it not footage. So exporting will turn it into something else. It'll turn it into a video instead of footage. So now we're going to go into Premiere to show you how to do these things, and hopefully this will look a little bit less confusing by the end of this video. So there's 2 ways to import footage. The way I usually use is I put it on my desktop and just drag it into the box in Premiere that says import footage. It'll import the footage. You double click and there's your footage. The second way is to go to the same box and double click. It will open Finder and you select your footage from there and import it, and once again double click and there's your footage. The next thing we do is we need to create a sequence or a timeline, which we just drag the footage that we just imported into this long blank box and it will start a timeline. Once you have your footage there, you will want to cut out the stuff you don't want. So we'll select the razor tool, which is here, or we press C. Just click where you want to cut it, go back to the cursor by clicking the icon or by pressing V. Select the part you cut and press backspace. Just click the empty space, press backspace again, and then it's gone. Now that it is cut, we need to export. So we're going to go up to the top bar and we're going to press File and we're going to select Export, and then from there select Media. So initially, this looks really confusing, but the only thing you actually need to worry about is the output name and the format. So the output name is this blue text here, and the format is this drop-down box here. Usually you want to select MPEG-4, and then you want to click the output name, and it'll bring up this box where you name your project and choose where on your computer to export it to. I always put it on my desktop, press save, press export at the bottom. With longer videos, this will take longer, so you want to save some time to export usually. And then you can open it up, and there's our video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with Premiere.